I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay.
My ID is not here, but I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay. I don't have a choice.
Yes, you
For anybody
do.
else.
No, yes, you do.
What I'm going to have you do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all, okay?
In the early morning of May the 17th, 2022, in Petersburg, Pinellas County, Florida, police officer Kristen was patrolling as usual when she spotted a white car ahead that appeared to be speeding. She immediately turned on her lights to signal the driver to pull over.
Okay, so your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
I'm a Pinellas County deputy,
Okay.
and my driver's license is...
Huh?
I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration? No? You don't? Do you have your ID on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'm a deputy, but
Well, that's why I'm asking. Do you have any weapons on you?
I live right there.
Okay.
I would normally, but
Do you have your some kind of ID or anything on you?
my ID is not here. But I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay. Do you have some kind of ID on you?
I was just driving that way. I dropped my friend off, and then I went this way because I live right there.
I get that, but I pulled you over because you were flying past everybody and you were cutting.
No, I was just driving.
Okay, when
the
I was
regular
pulling behind
way.
you, at this point you were going like 56 and a 40. You were flying.
No, I was not flying. I was just.
Do you have your
going...
registration with your name on it or anything?
Well, this car is not mine, so.
Okay. Do you have anything with your name on it?
After the female driver was stopped, she repeatedly emphasized that she was a police officer of the city and had special connections. However, the police noticed that she was speaking incoherently and smelled a strong odor of alcohol in the car. In front of the camera recording the enforcement process, if the police let this person go, they might face disciplinary actions or even be fired.
Can I see your driver's license?
Sure.
Do you have your work ID?
No, it's at home in my cruiser.
Where do you live at?
I live at.
It's not the address on your license?
No. I live right there.
Whose car is this?
My father's.
Give me a second, we'll be right back. Stay 1012 with her. I gotta call her.
A female officer returned to her patrol car to call her superior and requested two colleagues to come and assist in guarding the subject.
How are you?
Hey, how are you?
Good. What's going on tonight?
I have no idea. I'm trying to get home.
Oh, okay. Do you know why she pulled you over?
She said because I'm driving too fast.
Oh, okay.
But I'm a Pinellas County deputy, and I'm just trying to get to my house, which is right there.
Gotcha. Okay.
After the female officer asked for basic information, the male officer next to her, unable to withstand the loneliness, stepped forward to chat with the driver.
No, you're good.
I'm good?
Like, you don't have to step out right now.
Well, there's like 5 people now.
You said you were a deputy?
Yes.
Where at?
Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
Oh, you're with us all night.
Yeah.
How long you been with us?
5 years. I mean, I could get out, I could get in. I mean, you could come in.
No, you're good right now.
Listen, I'm
You're
just
good.
trying to. I don't know. Whatever you guys want to do, whatever it
You're
is.
good.
I live at that light right there.
Gotcha.
So if you want to hang out, if you don't want to hang out,
Where are you coming from?
not even long. You know Gandy Boulevard?
Mm-hmm.
I picked up someone, brought them over to their house, and then I was going back to my house
Gotcha.
because I am just living my life.
I gotcha.
And they actually live with Pinellas. And so I was like, oh, I'll bring you home.
Gotcha.
Boom, 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 boom. Easy.
Gotcha.
Espanol, but
Where from?
wait.
So you're Spanish?
Yeah,
From where?
you say where? Honey, you know you speak Spanish? Ah, Peru, Peru.
Ah, okay. I'm Dominican.
Dominican? Oh, no. No.
What's wrong with that?
Italiano.
While talking to the male officer, the female driver seemed very friendly. Not long after, Officer Kristen, who had stopped the driver, returned to the scene. She requested the driver to get out of the car and walk to the sidewalk for further checks to see if she was driving under the influence.
All right. Talking to you, I am getting some signs of impairment. Okay, can I check your eyes real quick?
Really?
All right. I want to give you every chance to say that you're fine. Okay. So can I check your eyes real quick?
This is what we're gonna do right now?
I don't have a choice.
You don't have a choice.
No.
And you pulled me over for going 10 miles over the speed limit?
You were going more than 10 over the speed limit. And
Really?
it's not just speed, it's also how you were driving.
No.
I want to give you every opportunity for you to show me that you're okay to drive. And I really hope that that's the results we get, okay? But at this point, I can't just look the other way. I don't have a choice. It's
Yes,
the same
you do.
for anybody else.
No, yes you do.
I can't treat anybody any differently.
Yes you would.
No.
I wasn't in other people's lanes.
Okay. I'm not going to argue about that. There's dash cam video and all of that, okay? We're past that point right now. The point is you were stopped. You're showing signs of impairment.
No, I'm not showing.
Okay. All right. I want to give you every opportunity to show
You know
that
what?
that's not the case.
I want to ask,
Uh-huh.
what signs of impairment was I showing?
You've got bloodshot, watery eyes. You have slurred speech.
Nope. I
Okay.
want to know,
Okay.
pulling over, what was the signs of impairment?
I'm not going to...
Because I do not have bloodshot and watery eyes because I have contact lenses in my eyes.
Okay. I explained to you. You smell very strongly of alcohol. Your movements have been very slow and fumbling. You have a very dazed facial expression. All these are signs of impairment. Okay? All right. As I said, I'm just conducting an investigation at this point. I want to give you every opportunity. You're saying that you're fine. I want to give you every opportunity to show me that.
There's no way in hell, and if I wasn't willing to do that.
Look, I want to give you every opportunity to show me that you're okay to drive.
So you're saying that if I'm not willing to do what you're telling me to, I'm apparently...
Although the female driver tried to persuade the police through silence and meaningful glances, she still had to undergo a field sobriety test. First, the police asked her to keep her head still and follow a moving light with her eyes to check the brain-controlled eye movement.
What I'm going to have you do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all, okay?
If your shoes are bothering you, you can take them off.
That's too fast. You think that I'm impaired right now?
As I said,
After eyes. So in the eyes...
The driver seemed dissatisfied with the female officer's actions and turned to the male officer to complain.
Is she new?
Been here longer than I have.
Then why is she doing this? When I live right there. She doesn't care? She wants to fuck people over?
I'm pretty sure that's not what she wants to do.
So, in the sense of being a deputy, with her doing this, what are your thoughts?
What do you mean?
In the fact of me acing this or not, it doesn't matter, right?
No, I mean, that's the point of this, right? If you don't show signs of impairment while you do it, it's better for you. That's why we give you that option.
I'm still gonna be perfect for this.
There you go.
She then had to perform a few more tests. The police determined she was driving under the influence and continued to ask her some questions.
what time is it right now without looking, if you had to guess?
12 o'clock.
How much do you have to drink while you were down there?
I didn't have any drink.
Okay. here's the thing. We both know you've been drinking. Okay. By telling us complete lies, like, I know that you're not being honest. Okay? So, I know you had something. Do you remember where you had drinks? How much did you have? So why do you smell like alcohol?
I do not smell like alcohol. I smell like pigment.
That's not pigment. That's very strong alcohol. How much did you have to drink? Nothing? You don't want to be honest with me?
Finally, she was handcuffed and taken to the police station for a breathalyzer test. The results showed her blood alcohol level was 3 times the legal limit in the state. She was subsequently charged with speeding and driving under the influence. The current situation in Florida is very strict regarding DUI offenses, so much so that she was fired as soon as she was put in jail. What are your thoughts on this event? Let's discuss below. See you next time.